I'm John Baker, and I'm here to talk to you today about the changes that we've made to the user interface for NX9. As you can see, we've implemented a ribbon interface, something that is becoming more common with many Windows-based products today. So, as you can see, we have this concept of a tab. There's different tabs for different areas of work. For example, there's a tab here for surface modeling, assemblies. But we're going to talk about the Home tab today. This is the Home tab for the modeling module. And the idea is that most all of the functions that you would normally use are available quickly from the Home tab. We have sections here on sketching, feature creation, synchronous modeling, surface modeling, assembly modeling, and so on. There's also this idea of a More tab. So for example, there's a lot more functions in modeling than just what we could possibly put into a single ribbon. And so we have this idea of popping up a More tab where all of the additional functions, maybe less frequently used, but they're readily available by just going to a single location. And then I can launch those commands, those functions right from this More tab. Or I could do something, for example, like I look at my ribbon, I don't see a particular function that I'm looking for. I don't want to go start digging around looking for it. I want to get it quickly. We have our command finder. So I go in the command finder, for example, I'm looking for the block function. So here it tells me a block function. When I hover over it, of course, it shows me exactly where it is in the More tab. So I could actually start using it from there. Or I could now come in and say, I want to add that to my ribbon. So I could add it to the current ribbon tab. And I did this without customization. So now it's over here. Now I've decided, yes, it's there, it's easy to use, but I really don't want it over here on the right side. I want to actually move it somewhere. So now I go into Customize. I can drag it over to where I would like it to be, and I can change its appearance because I don't really need that big icon. I'm just going to make it a small icon. And so now I've modified my ribbon. I've added something to make it, to customize it so that it's more like what I want rather than the out of the box. And I've done it with the minimum amount of using the customization tools. The idea here is to make the ribbon as easy to use as possible to start with, but then also to give you the customization tools and the editing tools necessary so that you can modify the presentation of the ribbon so it's more suited for your type of work. This is where we feel that the value is that the software needs to be productive, highly productive, but we can't predict exactly what you want to make a system productive for your type of work. So this is why we're emphasizing the customization tools to such a high degree with this implementation of the ribbon in NX9. So that's a little bit of a preview. Later on we'll develop some additional videos to show you some more capabilities around the ribbon, perhaps more customization and so on and so forth. Thank you very much.